So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to earn from the Telegram feature. So on the Telegram feature, it's now active. Before we continue, if you are new to our channel, kindly like and subscribe, and also reshare to people that are in need of this kind of information. So once you once you open your dashboard, it shows you this interface. Then you scroll downward, you can see it here. The first one is what? Comedy reward. The second one is what? Telegram. And Telegram is what? Active. You understand? It's active. So what you have to do is to click on Telegram. As you can see, it says what? Let's get it done. So once you click on this Telegram now, it takes you to perform the task. Once you perform the task, it's going to add to your dashboard. So before you perform the task, let me show you my available balance before we perform the task, so that once we are done performing the task, we'll check if it has added or not. Okay, so as you can see it here, this is what my available balance, this is where it's going to reflect. And I've been getting such a series of questions. Okay, why is it that I'm earning and it's not reflecting here? So I made a video explaining how this balance works. Once you earn on the tags, it goes to a different balance. Once you earn from invite or referrals, it goes to a different balance. Once you earn from the indirect sales 1 and indirect sales 2, all of them goes to different balance, and also your overall earnings goes to a different balance. I've made a video concerning that, so go and watch it. So as you can see, this is, if we perform this task now, this is where it's going to reflect. Look at it very well. It is €7. So we're going to click on the Telegram to perform this task. Okay, if you are yet to download Telegram, kindly download it before perform this task, so that you can be able to perform the task. It took us to Celeste official Telegram channel. So if you have not yet joined, I have joined, that's why it just took me directly to their official channel. So if you are yet to join, you can join. It will ask you to join, you understand? But since I have already joined, as I clicked the link, it just took me directly to their channel. So this is where you get updates about Celeste and other things. That's it for the Telegram feature. So on a daily basis, you come here and you perform the tasks. Then if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, if you are yet to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly do that. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so that you get notified whenever we drop new tips about Celeste. And also drop in the comment section the next video you want us to do. So what you have to do after that is to go back to your dashboard on your Celeste platform. You minimize your Telegram, then you go back to your dashboard on Celeste. Then you are going to check the balance of the income flow balance. Once you come back to your Telegram, you are expected to refresh it so that it can be added. As you can see, my income flow balance has added. It was €7 before, and now it is €7.75. So another way to check if it has added is to scroll down, and you see it here from the recent transaction, Telegram tax reward. So that's how to perform this tax, and that's how to check how much you have been able to make from the tax. So that's just it for this video. So if you are here to like this video, like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell, so that you can get notified whenever we drop new videos and new tips on how to navigate the Celeste platform. And please don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section if you have any questions, and our Telegram link is on the description. So DM me there if you have any questions also, or if you want to get started on Celeste and you don't know how, message me. I'll put you through every process.